Hey guys, welcome back to Lineup. For today's video, we are going to show you how to use Grubhub driver app. So if you're interested, let's get started. In this case, using the app itself is fairly easy. So first things first is you need to open up the driver app for Grubhub. Now from here, the first thing you see here is going to be your task page, which in this case, you should be able to see your current status, which is unavailable, which in this case, you won't be able to receive any task as of this moment. But once you click on it, you should have the option to switch this to taking offer, which in this case, you can go ahead and start receiving orders or tasks. Now, in this case, let's discuss what are the other menus that we could get here. So at the top left, you have the 3-bar icon here. So if you click on it, you have the following options. So you have scheduling, tasks, pay summary, program level, region boundaries, settings, help, and lockout. Now, each of these settings has their own use. Now, first is going to be the region map. The region map actually allows you to basically view what is your current region and where you'll be receiving your current task. So this is where you'll be getting orders and delivering orders on. Now, next is going to be the program level. Now, program level actually indicates you or shows you your current level. So the higher level that you get here, the more perks or the more that you'll be getting. Like for example, for the partner level here, you have 30% acceptance rate, 1% attendance rate, and 0 block drop here. Now in this case, you have the third access to scheduling on Saturday at 10:50 access, third access to catering orders when available. So again, there are going to be some perks depending on your program level. Next is going to be your pay summary, which in this case will indicate your current pay that you received, your earnings, and the orders you delivered and schedule hours that you've worked. You should also see your delivery pay here, so tips you get, the GH contribution, and adjustment pay as well. Now next is going to be the My Schedule section, which in this case allows you to update your schedule. So in this case, if you see any conflicts, this is where you'll be able to see them, or in this case, your current schedule. Next is going to be how can we actually start receiving order. Again, what you need to do first is you need to make sure that you turn this to taking offers, and from then on, once you receive an offer, you should have the option to see them. Now in this case, you go and click on view on the offer that you received. And from then on, you could go ahead and specify, or in this case, indicate if you want to accept the offer. Now, it just show you how much the pay is going to be and where the restaurant is going to be. Now, if you're sure that you want to do this, you go and click on accept offer. Now, once you've actually arrived to that specific location or that restaurant, you can go and click on arrived. Now, make sure to click on the actual offer that you received first before you click on arrive here. But once you've arrived, you can go ahead and click, or in this case, wait for the actual order. So you can ask them, hey, is the order for the following customer is okay? You go ahead and ask them that. But in this case, once you got the order, just click on got order to notify the customer. Now from here, once you've actually went to the specific location where, in this case, you want to deliver the order itself, you can go ahead and click on delivered. And that's about it. So using the app is fairly simple. It's pretty straightforward here, and that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to Lineup. Thank you for watching.